Hello everyone. Welcome to the new video. So again, alright, as everyone knows, now I've started working in SEO, so I'm making calls like this. Now, I've reduced running Google ads, but I'm still getting pretty good results. Yesterday, we made approximately $80 in results, and before that, it was $120. Apart from this, I have a question from a restaurant owner who said, "Sir, I think all this is being recorded and all. Can you show me your payout once?" So, for transparency purposes, right in front of your eyes, I've just created a payout of $3,104. I've already created a lot of payouts, like $2,292, $214, $694, and so on. You must be able to see all this yourself. So I hope now there won't be, any doubts. It would be great if that doubt, the one that's been created, doesn't remain. And besides this, I'm also showing you all that whatever buy the calls we're making. Everything is being refreshed right in front of your eyes. These are the stats right in front of your eyes. So everything is visible. So I hope the doubt has been cleared up now. So in the new video, one question that's been asked a lot is, "Bro, sir, can you tell us a method where, if I'm investing, I shouldn't incur any loss? If you can guarantee that I won't have any loss." So I did a lot of research, and about two and a half years ago, I used to make something. I used to do something, and today I'm going to show you exactly what that was, right in front of your eyes, basically what I did, and the point was that I used to make around 1 lakh rupees per month from it. Alright, so now I'm about to show you that thing right in front of your eyes. Basically, if you go and, if you look, a lot of people must have seen my thumbnail, and they probably already figured it out. The business is reseller hosting. Now, what exactly is this reseller hosting? Reseller hosting is actually a very simple thing. Reseller Club is a website. There are different websites like this. There's Hostinger, there's A2 Hosting, there's MilesWeb, you can choose any website you want. This is not an affiliate video or a sponsored video. You can choose any website. Get reseller hosting from anywhere you feel you're getting a better price. Just go for the one that offers you the best price. And basically, reseller hosting is not like normal hosting where you just buy hosting and start doing affiliate marketing. No, it's not like that. Once you set up your business is set. Once you build your brand, that hosting will keep selling on its own. Once you've got a client, as long as that client keeps renewing their hosting, you'll keep receiving an amount from it. Okay, so what happens is, like I said, I took this hosting. Look, it's obvious. I always tell my students, never invest all your money at once. What should I do? Never invest all your money at once. Start things off with the smallest plan available. So what did you do? You joined reseller hosting. You paid 18.99 rupees for 1 month. How many cPanels did you get for 18.99? Here, you got 25 cPanel accounts. Now, if I show you generally, even if you go to Hostinger or any other website, if you're buying a hosting plan, it usually costs around 100 to 150 rupees. I'm just saying, let's assume it's 200 rupees. I'm getting one hosting for 200 rupees. Now, I'm doing the calculation on the calculator. Alright, so what if I sell 25 hostings at 200 each? For how much did I sell them? I sold them at 200 each, and my total amount came to 5,000 rupees. Here, how much did you pay? 18.99 rupees. Even if you're selling hosting this cheap, even if you're selling it monthly at 200 rupees each, you'll still easily make 5,000 rupees. On just this many cPanel accounts, normally, all the students I know, all the students who learned about reseller hosting from me and are doing this work, what are they doing? They are usually selling one hosting account these days for 500 rupees per month. If they are selling it for 500 rupees per month, and they've sold it to 25 students, then their monthly profit is coming out to about this much. That means A profit of 10,601 rupees is being made just from 25 cPanel accounts. Right now, you don't need to worry about anything. I'm also going to tell you how to sell hosting, how to sell everything. I'll explain all of that to you. Alright, so it's not like you need to stress about it either. Sir, you told us to do all these things, but I don't really know how to sell. So we'll talk about that in detail as well. So what did I just say? I just said that if you have an account for 25 panels, that means you're selling 25 hostings at your own price. Now, the question here is, will we be selling under the Reseller Club brand? No, it's up to you. You can create any brand you want. If you buy anything from here, mean you buy an account for 25 panels from here. I have a complete video about its setup, where you create a WHMCS account, and you can handle everything yourself. Alright, now here's the question. Sir, I don't have any knowledge of coding or anything, so if I set it up, how will I provide support? You don't need to provide support. Any support will be handled through your website. Whatever website you have, or the website you will create. You also get a support option right there from the reseller hosting side. You'll get this option as well. Your site will also be protected by Cloudflare. Performance optimization will also be included. Upgrades will also be included. Hosting migration will also be included. Scalability is also included, and they'll even provide you with a billing software, so you'll have a completely flexible support system. Alright, so you don't have to do anything. You just need to do a one-time setup only. You only have to set it up once here. How do you set it up? Anyone who wants to set up reseller hosting. Sir, please help me. You can message me on WhatsApp, or you can message me below this YouTube video. Like and subscribe to the video, and then you can message me on WhatsApp. I will provide you the video where the entire setup process is explained in detail. Alright. Look, I'm saying this very clearly. Yes, I agree that you won't be able to make a lot of profit here. In the first month, you won't be able to make a big profit. For that, my brother, you'll have to move towards PPC. But the safest profit. Here, the chances of loss are absolutely zero. You can get that here because, brother, you have the whole month. You'll be able to sell 25 panel accounts easily. I'm telling you, there's a way you'll be able to sell them. Just wait a little bit. We'll talk about everything in detail. Now here the question is, sir, why is reseller hosting, or getting into reseller hosting, the best option? Look, first thing, there will be a lot of people in your contacts who are doing digital marketing. Second thing, if you connect those people through this, then you'll also have time to make sales. They got connected to you for that one thing. You'll obviously give them at least some support, right? They're connected through you. Gain a little knowledge. Watch some YouTube videos. They'll try out 10 different things. They'll face problems in those 10 things. If they face problems, you can upsell. You can sell them domains, themes, emails. For example, you can sell them an official email ID. There are so many things you can do. There's nothing difficult about it. So this is a very easy business that you can set up effortlessly and manage all your things. Alright, now the question here is, how will the payment be made? Look, there are two ways the payment can be done. First, the first way is that you collect the payment through your own payment gateway. Just integrate it. You'll receive the payment in your gateway. Apart from this, there are many affiliate programs, like hosting websites that will pay you directly into your bank account. So, for all the hosting you're selling, you don't have to worry about the payment at all. And let me also tell you, whichever website you set up with, they don't keep even a single rupee from you. The entire amount comes straight to you. Okay. Alright, now let's move on to this concept. How exactly are we supposed to do the marketing? Because the big question is, look, everyone can set up this system, but how do you actually do the marketing? So, I'm going to tell you the best way to do this. You don't have to do anything complicated. All you need to do is simply open your Facebook. Obviously, everyone is Facebook these days. Just open any Facebook account. Open Facebook, and you'll see there are a lot of groups on Facebook. I'm just opening a regular Facebook account. There are a lot of groups on Facebook, like AdSense. You know, there's even an arbitrage group for AdSense. There's an AdSense arbitrage group on Facebook. You should go and join that group. Let me show you in detail once. Then you'll understand it properly. Actually, I've changed my PC, so that's why there's a bit of an issue. Let me just take a moment to log into my personal Facebook account now. Just a second. Now look at what you have to do once you've logged into your Facebook. Alright, what do you need to do? You can join any groups related to Google Ads, anything related to Google Ads. Apart from this, what you can do, and this is the best thing I'm telling you, is AdSense arbitrage. Yeah, go ahead and join those groups. I'm telling you, I'm basically explaining the method. You'll be able to sell 25 hostings so quickly, you won't even believe it. Join AdSense arbitrage groups and just say there, I have an AdSense arbitrage method and I provide the landing page for free. Just make any post there saying, bro, I have the AdSense arbitrage method. I'll provide it for free. Now you might ask, sir, I don't know how to do this. Whether you know it or not is a different matter. You just have to do this one simple thing. Now, whenever someone comes to you, you just have to tell them, bro, if you want to start this, you need to have these resources ready first. Now, they'll ask, bro, what resources will I get? When they ask what resources are needed, you can simply say that you need to have a website. Alright, if it's a wallpaper website, then you need hosting, and a few other things. Whatever you want to upsell, just mention those to them. Now, hosting. I'm telling you, if you get 10 people coming to you, at least 6 of them won't have a website. So what can you do there? You can promote your own hosting service to them. As soon as that person buys hosting from you, they set up their website. Now, on YouTube or anywhere else, there are lots of people with AdSense accounts who are tutors. Find any genuine person who is actually doing this, and then you just need to send that lead to them. It's a very simple method. Look, the reason I'm saying this is because I used to do this method myself. I used to follow this method at one point, and through this method, I made 1 Indian rupee lakh a month. You don't have to do anything. It is called a reselling business. In reality, there's nothing much to it. It's a kind of reselling business. We call this a reselling business. Now, why is that? The biggest reason this is the best reselling business is that, first of all, you get a lead. Whether it's on WhatsApp or anywhere else, you generated a lead. That person will contact you for whatever problem they have. The second thing is, if that person buys hosting from you even once, then for at least 3 to 6 months, they're tied to you. And every month they'll give you 200 Indian rupees or 300 Indian rupees for free. And if you reach a point where you can sell around 100 hostings at a time, then you'll have a business of about 1 lakh rupees per month. Alright, adding up all the sales and everything else, your monthly business has reached 1 lakh rupees. So what I'm saying is, in my opinion, the best business is this one, where if you're making an investment, say you invest 899 Indian rupees per month, or if you take the Pro plan and invest 2,699 Indian rupees, then I can guarantee that you'll definitely make a profit of 15,000 Indian rupees, 20,000 Indian rupees, or even 25,000 Indian rupees from this. All you have to do is this. How much are you able to sell in this reselling business? Let me repeat everything once again. The best way is to just set up everything here once. If you're not able to set up, Just let me know. I'll send you a video. You can set it up from there. Alright, there are also plenty of tutorials available on YouTube for this. You can watch those and set it up. Once you set it up, and if you've managed to set it up even once you've properly set it up, once you've done the setup, the money comes in from selling, and if you're about to start selling, I'm literally telling you, just work on AdSense or focus on AdSense loading. Just go there and tell people, bro, I have this method and I'll provide it for free. Before providing it for free, you need to clearly ask them if they have it or not. I mean, do you have all these things or not? Like, do you have a website or not? Do you have all these things or not? Once you have all these things, once you've set everything up, alright, then sell your resources to them. Then find a tutor, or you'll find a mentor. What will you do through that mentor? Then, alright, you'll send that lead to the mentor. Now, if that person has any problem or anything comes up in the future, he is going to contact you. Okay, so that is the full method I wanted to share. From here on, whatever method you use, your goal is to make a profit from this point. Alright, now there's one more simple announcement I want to make here. Friends, if you want to join, because right now we are doing everything as a team, you can join the team. Anyone who wants to join the team, no doubt, this is not for free. This is not for free, only for those who can seriously work 3 to 4 hours. From my side, you can easily make $500 to $600 a week. But for that, you'll have to put in the effort. You'll need to work 3 to 4 hours, and we will generate a good amount from PBC. So this is my result from PBC. If you work in the same way, you'll get similar results too. So anyone who wants to join my team and wants to earn well. Alright, my WhatsApp number is given below. You can join. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you all like the method. Anyone who shares, comments, and likes this video. Alright, and subscribes as well. The most important thing is, if they want to join my team, I'll also give them a 10% discount. Okay, so friends who are interested, come and take advantage of this, Join my team. I hope you liked this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.